People ask me, hey, Ruben, can I buy my mortgage interest rate down to 0%? And I want to say, well, theoretically, yes, but realistically, no. And why is that? It's because even though you want to put in $15,000, $20,000, $30,000 into buying down your mortgage rate, you got to know that these mortgage companies got to sell this mortgage on the secondary market. And who's going to want to buy a 30-year mortgage with a 0% interest rate, right? Even if it costs 50 grand, over 30 years, the bank wants to make $200,000, not 50,000. So they'll only allow you to have what is on their rate sheet. And when I say what's on their rate sheet, let me explain to you what I'm talking about. So here's a rate sheet. Now, please don't take these interest rates to mean anything because you don't know what the scenario is that I put in here. You don't know the purchase price or the down payment or even what program this is. But just understand that this is an example of, out of the 20 banks that I'm signed up with, one of their rate sheets. And this goes down to 4.25%. That is the lowest interest rate that you can get from them. And the highest interest rate, don't worry about this, but is 7.75. All right? So this bank is only offering rates in between there. I know another bank that's not going below 5% interest rate. But take a look at this. To get this rate for this scenario, whatever it is, costs $15,000 to get 4.25%. And if you go up here to get this interest rate 4.49%, the bank's going to actually pay you $171. And if you get a higher interest rate, the bank will pay this, and this money can go towards closing costs. So can you pay down your mortgage to zero? Again, theoretically, yes. Realistically, no. The banks are going to keep within their rate sheet, within where they feel comfortable. Every bank is different. As I mentioned, this one is at 4.25. Another bank won't go any lower than 5%. Each bank is different. Each bank has different tolerances for their money, and obviously it's their right. If they're lending out their money, they can put whatever rules they want as long as it's uniform to everybody.